Okay, so as promised, I finished 18 baby scrapbooks. So I will give you an in-depth close-up on what they look like on the outside and on the inside. So yeah, I know that a lot of you guys are waiting for them to come out, and now they're finally here. So this is a showcase video on what they look like. I can still add more designs on the outside. I just put like a post stamp design on the back, but I can still put more decorations. But this is just a basic design, just in case if you want to order one of these, I can add more decorations. So this is just to show you what they look like, and I will show you one by one. So I think, well, let's start with the more colorful ones. Yep. Okay. So I'm fixing my wire. Okay. Now I'm gonna open this. Okay. Wow. Wow. Parang di ako yung gumawa. Anyways, the cover part is a notebook. There. I'm inspired by the Pride community, LGBT. So yeah, it's very rainbow inspired, but it doesn't have to be about the LGBT. It's just maybe just really love rainbows, so you can have this. So yeah, it's 7 panels. So on this side, 3 panels, and then on the other side it has 4 panels. So 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a window card. Okay. So next, I'll show the other ones as well. Again, I can add more decorations to this. Is this finished? I'm not pretty sure. I think this is the one that I'm still finishing. So, oh, it's this side. Okay. Yeah. So this is a flip card. And then this is a pull-out card to the left, to the right. And another window card. Oh, I can't get it back. And then another side, heart card, and another notebook. On the other side though, another notebook, and a card. You can put things here. Okay. Flip. Okay, that's nice. I still need to finish the cover on this one, so I'll post that on Instagram. So these are finished. Ngayon, ito, nainis ako dito eh. Tingnan mo. hanggang dito lang kasi yung abot ng puncher. So, but anyways, I guess it still looks it still looks pretty. Okay. So this is a pocket card, a notebook, another pocket card, yep, and like a window card. Okay, other side, another pocket card, and just a cover embellishment. So yeah, then you just wrap this around and we're done. Another card. Oh, they are kind of my favorites. So okay, we'll start with the yellow one. Ooh, pretty. The tape is kind of, creating dust. The magic tape is creating dust, so I have to remove that. pull this to the side. Chanan! Okay, pocket card, window card, pull-out card. This is a never-ending card. So there are tons of spaces to put your pictures or write on it. You can write on these or just put pictures on them if you want. You know, possibilities are endless. Okay, other side. So this is a pocket card and another pocket card, and this one is a notebook. The notebooks are pretty nice. I really added that in my albums all the time because it gives you more space to write on it or put pictures on it. So yeah, it's done. Let's switch it up. Okay, I use the Maggie Homes. I still have leftover Maggie Homes, so I use that. There. It's really nice. The magic tape. My goodness. It's creating like a small debris. I'm sorry. It looks dirty. See? Ugh. What's that? Oh my god. Yeah. So, I don't know if my voice is loud and clear, or quiet. I keep doing that. I'm sorry. So this is a little bit different. This is an envelope card, which is really nice. It opens up like that. Sa kabilang side, meron na namang endless card. And another notebook. Here. It's really nice. I do enjoy making them. As you can see, I have made like 18. I mean, did I make? I'll count later. So okay. We're done with that. Here are the pink ones. Gusto ko talaga yung pink. So, buksan natin. Ooh, parang makeup bag lang. Oop. Yun. Ganda. Ooh. It's really nice. Wala na. Dito, meron pa. Okay. Boop, 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 boop. It's like I'm just playing with toys. Change it up. Okay. Sometimes I'm amazed in how I put things together. Like, wow, I did that. Okay. And another pull-out card. Usually I put it intentionally towards you or away from you. Nainis na ako dun sa mga debris ng magic tape. Nagninis-nis siya. So, may nag-recommend sa akin na pwede naman daw wag purong English yung mga showcase video ko or videos. Baka kasi may nagdudugo na daw na ilong. So, ninano ko lang na mag-English para kahit sino sa buong mundo may intindihan kung anong sinasabi ko. Pero okay, sige, since nakatera ka sa Philippines, di mag-Tagalog. Okay, magta-Tagalog. So, ayan. Nakakaloka. Ang dami kong ginawa, wala akong magawa ng quarantine. So, gumawa ako ng marami. Ayan. So, kung gusto nyo mag-order ng mga ito, pwede naman. Actually, ito, lalagyan ko sana sila lahat ng design or mga words. Kasi naisip ko, kung halimbawa lang may magustong mag-order, edi hindi na specific yung messages na nakalagay. So, I just added this detail lang. So, yan. Ito, gusto ko pa sana lagyan ng to the moon and back sa harap. So, yun na yung tsura niya. It's about the moon. Sweet little things to tell your anong bang tawag ng mga tao sa jowa, ganun. Pwede na naman sa kapatid mo or sa family mo ibigay, not necessarily na kailangan pang jowa lang, ganun, or pang boyfriend, girlfriend lang. So, naman, this one is a travel themed one. So, it's really nice. So, again, marami kang pwedeng ilagay na photos and pictures. Hindi siya limited na, ay, hindi ko, ano ba, dito ko nakatingin, hindi ko nakikita, hindi nyo na pala nakikita, sorry. So, yan. I think I can recommend, you can put about, I can recommend 25 to 35 photos, but since marami namang spaces, I think kakasya yung around 50 pictures. Basta marunong kayong dumiskarte kung paano nyo lalagyan ng pictures or messages. Actually, sa mga pockets, nag-i-include pa ako ng cards and tags. These are the tags. So, pag nag-order, syempre, lalagyan ko pa yan ng mga connect-connect. So, sa ngayon, sinashowcase ko lang kung anong itsura nila. So, you have an idea kung ano ba yung baby scrapbook nila. I call them baby scrapbooks kasi maliit lang sila. Hindi sila yung usual scrapbooks na malaki, gano'n. So, ano ba? So, ayan. Bumabalik eh. Yan. Okay. Ito talaga yung maganda pag maraming spaces. Marami kang malalagay na photos. Marami kang masusulat na gusto mong saloobin. Like, naalala mo ba nung close tayo, ngayon hindi na, mga ganon. Huwag naman sanang ganon. This is a little bit different. I added an envelope card, which is a little different, and I added this detail. So, pwede mo siyang sulatan kung ano mang ilalagay mo sa loob. Secret. So, yan. I forgot na I can incorporate this to the other albums. Kaso, nawala sa isip ko na gagawin ko itong part na to. So, yeah. Maybe in the future, gagawin ko yan. So, there. Itong cute din ng panda. So, last 5. Parang mahaba na yung vlog. So, sorry. Ayan. Ito, travel themed naman siya. It's similar to, ano ba yung ginawa ko? Asan na yun? Ito. Ayan. Yun nga lang, hindi ko siya nilagyan ng design kasi nga, baka may gusto mag-order and gusto nila ipalagay yung name nila or personal messages. So, para hindi naman lahat nalagyan ko na ng mga designs. So, yan. Cute. Nakita nyo? Yan. Cute. Hey. Baka kasi di nyo na nakikita. Buklat ako ng buklat. Okay. Last 4. So, nice. I really love the vintage designs. The aesthetic of design, the aesthetic of vintage and gold and black. Talagang mahilig ako sa ganun. Sobrang hilig ko talaga sa mga browns and blacks and whites. Ayan. Nakakatuwa. Na imagine I did all of them for, I think, 5 days. Hindi ko na nabilang. Alam ko 5 days ko silang ginawa lahat. So sorry if it took really long. Tingnan nyo, nagdudumi talaga yung magic tape. Actually, dapat kasi lahat sila, ganito yung gagawin ko. Kaso nga, hindi nagpapang-abot. I think I'll redesign this one. Pero, maybe I'll make another design or prototype. Medyo fail dito. But, if anybody loves this one, of course, you can have it. Ayoko lang talaga ng madumi. Nagdudumi siya. Ayan. This one is red. All red. So nice. Ay, sorry. Tabbing. Ayan. Wow. It's red. As in love. So, yeah. The last one is this little guy. So, it folds down and up as well. Yeah. It's a pull-out card. Nilagyan ko lang ng tali. So, every album is really unique and different. This one is a pocket card, pero mas takip lang siya. So, nakakatuwa. Marami akong ideas for this project. So, all in all, I will count. Let me see. 4. Dapat makita sila. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 13, 15. Yeah, it's really 18. And 18. So I really made 18 of these, which is really nice. It's a good project. It took me a while. And ako pa naman, pagtapos ko na yung projects, kinabukasan ko pa sila, or the next 2 days ko pa sila na-videohan. So, I apologize for that. But hope you like them. And, again, I will still add more details to it. Sakaling merong gustong bumili sa kanila. So, this is just to showcase what they look like inside and out. So, thank you so much for tuning back in. And I hope you help my channel grow by subscribing and liking my videos, or leave a comment to show your appreciation. So thank you so much and bye. So sorry for my nails. So bye bye.